This feature feels illegal the first time you use it. It's called the flash fill. And this would actually feel like working with AI because flash fill is Excel's pattern recognition feature. Let me show you how it works. We have a few examples. In this first example, you can see I have some full names here, and the task is to extract the first name. Now, I don't need to remember any fancy formula for me to be able to do this. All I have to do is come here and type in the first name and press enter. Now from here, all I need to do is press Ctrl E and Excel will understand the pattern that I showed it and will repeat the same pattern for all the other cells. Let me show you what else it can do. Here we took out data from existing text, right? I can also combine data from multiple cells. And here's how I can do that. All I need to do is enter the full name and press enter. And once I'm here, I can press Ctrl E and Excel recognized that I was trying to combine these two, the contents of these two cells, and it just basically repeated the same pattern. Let me show you how smart it is. I'm going to delete all of this and let me switch it around. I'm going to enter the last name first, comma Alex. And once I'm here, I'm going to press Ctrl E and look at that. Excel understood the task. It understood that I want the last name first and the first name afterwards. And it basically repeated the same pattern all over again. Now, this is handy because you can use this to basically create your own stuff. Like, for example, I have first names and last names here. I can create email IDs using these first and last names. So let me show you how that works. Let's assume that in your organization, the email IDs are always the first letter of the first name underscore the last name @example.com. Okay, now all I need to do is come here and press Ctrl E and Excel will automatically create all the email addresses for me. I don't need to manually type it all in here, right? That's how smart the flash fill feature is. Let me show you what else it can do. Here I have some text and I want to extract the numbers from in these texts. All I have to do is enter the numbers that I want, press enter, Ctrl E. Look at that. I have all the numbers here. So if you're still using left, right, mid for simple tasks, stop. Flashfill doesn't use formulas. It learns patterns. Right? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel and please hit the notification button for more such videos. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless.